Hi George, how's it going today?
Good. How has it been for you?
Pretty good. So last session, you had talked to me about wanting to decrease your fear of snakes. You said you had a camping trip in 2 months, is that it?
Yeah, I have a camping trip with some of my friends later in a month, and I will be going away with my parents not being there. So I'm very nervous of what would happen if I run into any snakes, or if my phobia of snakes will be bad.
Okay, totally understandable. That sounds like it'll be fun though, going camping with your friends.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah, are they close friends? You known
Mhm.
them a long time?
Yep. Couple of years.
Okay, well at least that's good. You always have your friends for support.
Mhm.
All right, so last session we had gone over some relaxation exercises. So, right now I want to get you back into that kind of relaxed state. And so, if you can close your eyes for me and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And keep that going in and out. And make sure you're using your diaphragm, which is the muscle under your stomach. So, make sure as you breathe in, your stomach goes out, and breathe out and release all that good air. Just kind of get yourself relaxed. Alright, now I want you to keep doing that, but also think of maybe a place that you feel happy. Maybe it's on the beach, maybe it's at a pool, at your friend's house, hanging out, whatever it may be. So close your eyes, breathe in and out, and picture a nice place you like to be. Keep doing that a few more times. Alright, how are you feeling?
I feel better.
Feel good right now?
Yep.
Great. Alright, so I want you to work on this breathing. Whenever you can, we'll work on it in session, but if you can work on some of that relaxation even outside of sessions, and just kind of get yourself to a place where if anything is stressing you out, you can start doing that breathing and maybe calm down a little bit. All right?
Sounds good.
Okay. So, what I want to do today is make a list of um, situations that scare you in regards to snakes. So, like, what is the lowest um, amount of fear that you experience in regards to snakes? Is it just thinking about them? Is it
Just
being
thinking about
outside?
them.
Just thinking about them?
Yeah.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most frightening, how scared does that make you just thinking about snakes?
About two probably.
2? Okay. All right. And what's something that would scare you a little bit more than just thinking about snakes?
Walking through the woods.
Walking through the woods? All right. And how would you rate that? 1 to 10?
Like a 3.
3? All right. And what would scare you even a little bit more than just walking through the woods?
Going through any brush that's like more than ankle high.
Going through ankle high brush?
Like walking through leaves or swamps or anything.
And how scary is that? 1 to 10?
Like a 5.
A 5? All right. And what would be the next level? What would be even more frightening than that?
Um, Probably doing yard work and finding one in like a leaf pile that I'm moving
Okay, so
or something.
actually finding a snake. All right, and how would you rate that?
7.
A 7? All right, and what about even a little bit more than that?
Um, Actually seeing a snake, I guess. Or like going near a snake.
Going near a snake? And how does that rate?
Probably like an 8.
An 8? Okay. And what would be even scarier than that?
Yeah, actually touching me.
Actually touching a snake?
Yeah.
And how does that rate?
Probably like a 10.
10? Okay, so going forward, I want us to get you a little bit more used to these situations and to try to get you more accustomed to it and try to get that good breathing and relaxation going so that you can kind of work through some of these and not have it feel so scary anymore.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start really low. We won't throw you into the deep end. Um, so I think today, if we can just do some imagining snakes, maybe the first thing that we can work on. And so I think we can start there. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Okay. So I want you to close your eyes and just think about snakes. It doesn't have to be anything scary. It can be a snake far away. It can be just minding its own business, you know. And while you're doing that, just breathe in and breathe out. All right. Keep thinking about that little snake. It's not going to hurt you. Breathe in, breathe out. All right. Stay relaxed. In and out. All right. Open your eyes. And how did that feel?
Felt better.
Felt better?
Mm-hmm.
How did that rate from 1 to 10?
Probably like a 1.
A 1? Okay, pretty good. All right. Do you want to keep thinking of snakes in your head if that's where you're comfortable, or we can move on to looking at some pictures of snakes if you want to try to go up to the next step a little bit.
Whatever you think.
All right. Do you want to try looking at pictures?
Sure.
Okay. I won't do anything too crazy. Just little snakes minding their own business. All right. So here's a picture. You can look at that for a little bit. And make sure to stay relaxed and do some breathing. So in through the nose, out through the mouth. Great. Now you can picture your happy place too while you're looking at the snake. It's not going to pop out at you, don't worry. In through the nose, out through the mouth. All right. How does that feel?
Not bad.
Not bad? What would you rate it on 1 to 10?
Probably like a 2.
A 2? Okay, good. All right. Now I'd like to try looking at a video that's just going to be a slideshow of cute snakes. They're going to have little hats on, little silly faces. Nothing crazy threatening or anything. Do you think you can handle that?
I'll give it a try.
Okay. It's not too bad, I promise. Remember to do some breathing while you're looking. Keep yourself nice and calm. Yep, keep breathing. You're doing good. I like that guy with the little hat on.
Snake is super ugly.
It might not be the prettiest, but you're doing great. How you feeling so far?
Feeling okay.
Okay. You get to the end yet?
Just about.
Okay. And there's a little Yoda snake. Just to top it off. Alright. How are you feeling?
Feeling okay.
Feeling okay?
Mm-hmm.
And what would you rate it right now?
Like a 2.
A 2? Very good. Oops. Okay. Now, if you think you're ready for it, I have an educational video of snakes. Now, these ones aren't as cute. They don't have little hats on. It's just gonna show a lot of snakes in a small area. They all kind of go towards this den. And it's not gonna be as fun, but I think you'll be able to get through it. What do you think?
Alright.
Wanna try it out?
Yeah, I guess I'll try.
Okay, let's try this one out. Remember, keep relaxed, keep breathing in and out, nice and steady. I think you'll do great.
People come from all over the world just to see the snake dens here. A lot of children are a little more willing to hold the snakes and to interact with them. Sometimes the adults are a little more apprehensive, which I think is kind of odd, that it's almost like the fear of snakes has been built into people as they grow up.
What are you thinking?
It's made a nightmare.
It's okay though, you're not there, you're just looking at it. Keep breathing. See, even the little kids are playing with snakes. They're not too bad.
The largest aggregations or concentrations of snakes anywhere in the world. The inner lake of Manitoba is so plentiful, or why
Keep
snakes
breathing.
are so plentiful here, really goes back to the geology of the area. Temperatures can reach 50 degrees below zero. And so a snake...
How are you feeling? Is this too much right now?
It's not too much, it's just... I would never want to be there.
Okay, so we won't send you there right away. How is your fear right now, 1 to 10?
Probably like a 3 or 2.
2 or 3? Okay. Alright, keep breathing in. Keep breathing out.
All the snakes in an area have to go to that den site that's in their region. And so that's how you end up with literally tens of thousands of snakes being in a sinkhole that might be the size
Don't
of...
worry, we're not going to send you there.
It is actually very
Just to try to help get over that fear a little bit.
Because if you look from a snake's eye view, you just see kind of a sea of living spaghetti, and you're looking for a slightly bigger piece of spaghetti than all the rest of them. They'll detect the female sex pheromone. The males are very easily able to then go past all the other pieces of
Keep
spaghetti,
that breathing
if you
up.
will, and home in on the female.
Keep some good thoughts flowing in there too.
These courting males all gathered around one female, trying to be that lucky guy that's going to mate with her. They'll get so wrapped up they can tumble down a hill literally like a ball. So people call them mating balls. Even though there's tremendous competition.
That sounds terrible. I would never want a mating ball to run me over.
Yeah, yeah. Luckily, that's not close to us. You don't have to worry about that around these parts.
I like to call them the ambassadors of the reptile world. They're a great way for people to interact with wildlife. Look at mommy and smile.
These garter snakes don't have teeth, and they feel cool when you touch them and stuff. So they don't bite you. They just kind of move around in your hand really fast and stuff. Awesome job, guys.
Now, obviously, all the snakes here are harmless. The dens here at Narcissus have been set up through Manitoba Conservation, and the boardwalks have been made, and they're regulated. So it's a nice place for people to come visit with minimal impact on the denning sites themselves.
Way back at the turn of the century, and even through the 20s, 30s, and 40s, people had a pretty
All right,
bad
how you
attitude
feeling
about
now?
snakes and trying to
Feeling all right.
Feeling
Just
okay?
times have changed.
All
Today,
right.
People are much more environmentally conscious.
Stop this
Really
one
and
now.
truly, having the
All right. And how was your fear at the end of that?
At the end, I was pretty comfortable. Probably like a 2 or 3.
Pretty comfortable? 2, 3. All right. So as we continue going through, I'm going to continue showing you some more pictures. Maybe even getting like a fake snake in here, and kind of trying to get you more relaxed and more comfortable with seeing snakes, and even seeing fake snakes. And we can even work up to going into the woods if you would like, and I can guide you through it and kind of help you relax through it. And I think we're on a good path. You did really well today so far.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. So how are you feeling so far about the whole situation?
Feeling a little better.
A little better?
Yep.
Do you think the breathing is helping?
Yeah, it definitely does help me.
Okay. So between our next session, I'd like you to kind of focus on some breathing, focus on relaxing a little bit, and making sure that you can pull out these skills whenever you need to in stressful situations. I mean, especially here we're working on snakes, but you can use it whenever you like.
Okay.
All right. Well, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.
And I'll see you next time.
Sounds good.
All right. Bye.
Bye.